Howdy guys, I got the F-35 out here. I think I've got it pretty well ready to go. Looks like. Okay, let's give her a taxi test, see what she can do. Let's take a look at her and see how she does on straightness here. Nice looking little plane. Can't wait to get her in the air. Wind just picked up, but I just got home. I thought about going flying tonight, but it doesn't look like that's in the picture, so I'm going to have to wait. We needed to taxi this thing anyway. Oh yeah, I think I can get it. It's got a little bit of a pull. I'll tell you what, it steers nice. It came with a 54-degree servo. And we might need to throw some expos in there. Yeah, this is going to be a fun one to fly. The F-35 by FMS, guys, and she is ready to go. Yeah. See you at the field.